they read MPEG-2 files, and this laptop does not read that type of file. So I'm assuming if you, I mean, it works great. It works really good. You can see nighttime and all that good stuff, and you can mount it on your scope. And but it doesn't read it on the MacBook. So I'm assuming any Apple products would not work well with this. I could see the video, but I can't download it onto iMovies. If there's another way, I don't know it because I'm not computer savvy. So I wanted to do a review on this, and which is good, but it didn't happen. But that's what I'm gonna be doing now. Eaglevision phone mount. So let's do this. It's not an unboxing because I unboxed it already, but man, it comes with great stuff. I think you've seen the videos before. This is what I have, the plate for my cell phone. So once I showed you a video of that, we're gonna go shoot something, and that's it, and see what it looks like. It's not mounted perfectly, so you can see a little bit, but I did my best. When I get a better phone, because this system was $325 shipped. My phone was about 200 bucks. So this system costs more than my phone. But I have 2 pegs on it, so I can put the knob on it so it can stay, because my phone case is pretty thick. We're gonna go check it out. So I had this mount. This is the Eaglevision, as I was explaining earlier, on the Diana Storm Rider. This is in 22. I'm assuming this is Gen 1 version, non-regulated. I could get it regulated, but then I won't be able to read the PSI. And that's the Daniel Tanto. It really quiets this thing down. It comes with a moderator, but I took that out because it was and I bought the Daniel Fat Boy 2.0 and I put that on my Artemis PP750. And I was shooting premieres, hollow points, 14.3 grain, the Crossmans, because this is a cheap old gun, but it shoots wonderful. It would have shot better if I had that zeroed in. I had to take it off a few times to do this, that, and the third. But at the end of the day, the reviews about the mount, I love that thing. It records. If I had better equipment like a phone or something like that, they have attachments. If I get I have that one leaf, which he doesn't have an attachment for that yet. He has it for something that's similar to it, called the Pod something, NV007 or something like that. But he told me in a few months or so he'll have an attachment for that, and I don't have to buy no more extra. Just buy that one piece, and I could just hook it up to this mount here, which I expect to do. But I can't get too much video out of the one leaf because I can't upload it to the computer. But man, that thing worked well. So, disclaimer, I'm just showing all this for educational purpose. That was not a firearm. It was an air rifle, a PCP to be in fact. So I don't want nobody buying a mount and shooting in their backyard unless if it's safe, or whatever other intentions you might have. So with that out the way, I like to say that the Eaglevision mount was perfect. If I get the kinks out of it, like the video, you'll see it's a little cocked over. It looks like it's reversed, but everything came out clear. I had a real cheapo phone. The mount cost more than the phone itself, but it came out really nice. It focused and it worked well. So I shot that at the Diana Stone Rider. I believe it's Gen 1, unregulated, with the Bug Buster scope on there from UTG. It was the Bug Buster. I got the whole setup as it was recommended on YouTube many years ago. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully if I could get the one leaf up and running onto a different laptop, then I'm gonna get that popping for y'all. But if not, the one leaf works well. You got the night vision and it records, and a lot of people is uploading it onto their PC one way or another through however they did it, but they did it well. So if you want a more in-depth video on the mounts from Eaglevision, and people in England and the UK and all that good stuff got banging videos. They got ratting videos, hunting with it, full in-depth reviews with different mounts and all that good stuff. So if you like that, visit them videos and cop yourself an Eaglevision. You won't be disappointed.